Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Skyler Capri, and today we are doing a updated haul and just kind of a makeup haul. I know I haven't filmed in formally about 3 months, but I have been posting my Instagram beauty videos, so if you do not follow my beauty Instagram, it is at Looks by Skyler, so go check that out. I like to post lots of project panning, makeup hauls, makeup tutorials, makeup looks, all that good stuff, and I also do post fashion on there, so if you like that, go check out Looks by Skyler on Instagram so you can get more of my updates. But without further ado, I haven't sat down and talked to you guys anything about makeup or anything in the last 3 months, so I thought I'd do a haul and kind of a catch-up video. So let's get started. Alright, so today I actually went to Marshall's and I found so many good things. I wanted to pick everything up, but I do try to limit myself on makeup as I want to have a collection that I feel is sustainable. I don't want to have blushes that I own that I've never even touched before. So all of my makeup in my collection has been used. I have a very kind of understanding of if I like a product and if I don't like a product. If I don't like it, I declutter it, I try to project pan it. That's kind of it, but I want to have a collection that I use everything, and I'm quite happy with my collection currently. So going into Marshall's, there are so many good finds in there. Some of the things I didn't purchase, they had the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. I think they're repackaged new version for their Naturally Pretty line, caused those to switch packaging, so they're at Marshall's. I found mine for $14.99, and I know a lot of people have found the boudoir eyes, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, and the matte eyes as well. But enough ranting. First up, I picked 2 brush sets. This is the limited edition Real Techniques and Sam & Nick 4 Tools for Radiance. This is the Radiance set. It's so big. You get a multitasking cheek brush, a strobing fan brush, and a targeted blending brush. Those are the brushes. And then you get one of their sculpting face sponges. I'm so excited. I really wanted to try out the Real Techniques brushes. I know there are a lot of good things about them, but the prices of them at Ulta I find kind of high, but this brush set was only $9.99 at Marshall's. And then I got another brush set from them as well, and this is the same Real Techniques by Sam & Nick collection, and this is the 4 Tools for Natural look. This is the more, you can see my legs, this is the more face brush collection, and you get a BB/CC cream brush, a contour brush, detailing, and then wedge sponges. So I really liked these 2. I thought they were a great deal for $9.99 each, and you're getting a total of 6 brushes and a few sponges. So I thought it was an awesome deal, and I definitely wanted to pick them up to be able to try out. Next up, I picked up this Clean Sweep Makeup Brush Pad, and so what this is kind of a sponge, so that when you're done using an eyeshadow and you want to switch colors, you can just swirl it around so it takes all the product off and you can switch colors without having residue on your brush. This was $3.99, and I know they have these all over the place. I've seen them before, but I thought this was a really cool concept and I definitely wanted to pick them up. And then the last thing that I actually purchased today was this Anastasia. I know a lot of people say it Anastasia, but I call it Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Stripped Liquid Lipstick. This was $7.99. I know a lot of these have been found. There were Smashbox ones and a lot of Stila. There was so much Stila, but this color is actually on my lips right now. And it's just kind of a warm tone nude color. This is very similar to the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Push Up. So if you think you would like this color, definitely try out the drugstore version. But the drugstore version is $7.99, and this was $7.99 at Marshall's, so I thought I would pick it up. Again, with Marshall's products, you do have to make sure that they haven't been opened, swatched, touched. Normally you can tell with eyeshadows and especially cream products, but same with lips. You want to make sure that the package hasn't been opened yet. But those are the products I picked up from Marshall's today. Now, over a long time, I've been accumulating 2 palettes. I know that might not seem a lot, but for Easter, I got the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and this is a gorgeous palette. I'm going to hold it like that so you don't get the glare. But it has 16 colors in it. I'm gonna count real quick. And this pop of pink, you know what, let me swatch this for you. It is so pretty. Like, look at that color. Oh, it's so nice. And what's another really good one? Ooh, Main Squeeze. I mean, their formula, I think they really stepped it up. This is sugar coated too. I think they really stepped it up with this palette, and I know they are coming out with a Soda Pop palette that has more browns and more of a smoky look. So if you create more smoky eyes, I think that that would be a really good palette. But I was very, very impressed with the formula on these, as a lot of people didn't like the nudes palette collections. There's the blush nudes, rock nudes, and 24 karat gold palette. I know a lot of people weren't wowed with the formula, but I think that the formula on these new palettes is absolutely fabulous. Also, it does have a nice lemon scent. I'm not sure what the Soda Pop one's going to smell like, but it does have a nice scent. Also, I picked up the ColourPop Double Entendre palette. The reflection is crazy. This is what this palette looks like. A lot of people compare this to the Tartelette Toasted palette, and I see the comparisons. I didn't specifically pick this up to get it as a dupe palette, but I just love the shades in here. Let me swatch a few for you. These are a few of the shades. So pigmented, so pretty, and I think you can get a really nice natural look out of this. I don't have too many warm tone palettes. If you would like to see an updated palette collection, just leave a comment down below. But I really thought that these two were awesome palettes, and they are drugstore and affordable. This, I believe, is $10.99 at Ulta. It used to be $13.99 on Amazon when you could pre-order, but I think it's around $10.99 at Ulta, and this palette is not $6.99. This palette is $16.99 and can be found on the ColourPop website or at Ulta Beauty's certain stores. I also picked up a new sharpener. This is just the Ulta Beauty sharpener. It has a big side and a smaller side to sharpen jumbo pencils and lip liners, because I needed a new one of those. And I picked up a ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. This is so reflective. The formula on this, it is a cream to powder formula. I know a lot of people like their highlighters, and I know a lot of people don't like their highlighters. I think the highlighters are really nice. They're super duper blinding. So if you're more of a natural highlight person, you might want to have a really light hand with this, but mostly this is going to produce a really blinding highlight. So if you like that look, I would definitely recommend these highlighters. In Ulta they have, which is where I purchased mine, in Ulta they have 4 shades. They have Wisp, Lunch Money, the Flexitarian shade, and I'm not sure what the other shade is, but I feel like their range of highlighters is pretty good for skin tones, and I definitely find that you can pick up one that is in your correct shade. So I really like those. And also from ColourPop, I kind of went on a ColourPop craze when I found out they were in Ulta, and one that was like 15 minutes away from me. I like ran to that store on ColourPop opening day, and I was like, I am gonna snatch all this stuff up. This is in the shade Fresh Cut, and this is a ultra matte lip. I know some people really think that their ultra matte lips are drying, but I love them. I think they're so nice. This is kind of a bright pink shade. I think this will be perfect for summer and spring, and I am super excited to be wearing that. Also, the packaging, ColourPop is in like a hollow text right here, and then it's just silver, really clean packaging. And this was $5.99, I believe. If you like me to leave the prices in the description box and links, I can definitely do that. Just leave these comments down below. I'm kind of getting back into YouTube, have a new backdrop, and I want to kind of make more quality videos for you. So any suggestive or kind of not supporting, what's the word I'm like, constructive criticism down below for video quality and all that stuff, please leave a comment down below. And then I also picked up a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 15 Fair. This is the shade for me. It's a good summer shade. I use this as a concealer, obviously, and an eyeshadow base, because I feel that my eyeshadow goes on really well with a concealer base rather than an eyeshadow primer base. I prefer this one to the Maybelline Age Rewind and the, what other one did I have? Why can't I remember? I don't know. Wait, yes I do. What am I doing? I had the Cella pencil, the Hey Honey one, but I did go back to this. This is $7.99. I was looking at different alternatives to this. I know a lot of people really rave about the Makeup Revolution one, the LA Girl one. I really wanted to try, is it LA Color or LA Girl? I can't remember. The ones that have the packaging where it's like a tube format with a black cap, if you know what I'm talking about. I really wanted to try out one of theirs because I believe it was around $1.99, but they didn't have any in my Ulta. And I really wanted to shade match in stores. I know that's a big thing for a lot of people. We're not sure what shades to order, foundation, concealer, it's a mess. So I'd rather pick it up in stores. But I like this, it's good, doesn't break me out. I know some concealers break me out, but I have been really enjoying that lately. So thank you so much for watching this updated makeup haul. If you'd like to see in-depth tutorials, swim videos, I know I haven't done one of those in forever. I do have a whole bunch of summer plans, and I actually have a pool that I'm pretty sure I'm able to film at, so I am so excited. I'm going to be doing drill videos and outdoor summer hacks, because I know a lot of you swim outdoors in the summer and I would love to create content for you. I know my swimmers. I was checking all of my YouTube stats and I saw that my how to put a cap on had reached 11,000 views, and I got so excited. I was like, okay, I gotta get back onto YouTube. I've been off way too long. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this makeup haul, and if you would like to see updates on any of the products or have questions about prices, about reviews or anything, just leave a comment down below and I will definitely get to you. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!